Lovely.
Simple, lovely. Getting this ready now for what we're putting in here. What they call them? Pink fir apple.
Please, what's your name here?
Pink fir apple. They're going in here. So we're just topping them up now with this compost. What needs topping up. Pulling spuds and everything out. Nice spuds. That's what we had in last year. Putting a load of chicken manure in. Chicken manure. Putting that in. Digging it in, and relax digging it in. Old fashioned then, right? And you brought that from Poland with him, didn't you? And then we've got to pop them in, 2 in each bucket. Label them up, and then that's another bed done of spuds. There's Henry just got off. So we've got them in there. Pink fir apple. So they're in. We've got what they call them. Need another bag of compost tomorrow just to top these off. Rocket, first early. And we just worked it out. King Edwards will go in there. The Charlotte will go in there. Yeah. And then that's all our spuds. Isn't it? Oh no, we've got Maris Parker. Maris Parker will go in. Up that side. And up that side. And then sweet corn's going along the back because it's nice and tall. Because it's only a narrow bed, so it's no use putting potatoes up there. So we've got potatoes, Maris Parker, and sweet corn along back. Now, all the rest is for veg. Veg we've got at home. These onions are coming out. These radar. Because there's not that many in. There's a few died off and that. And it's a big bed that will take up all year. They'll be in most of the year then. So them red ones can stop in there. And them ones there because they're bulbing up if you like. So that's a dummy nice bed of onions. So we'll keep that one. Lose that one. Plant them onions in a bucket or something. Garlic and shallots are okay. So yeah. And then in here, not been in here for a while. Oh, big spider's web. There's the spider. In here. In fact, I'm going to do them now. I'm going to put some carrots in this one. Put something else in there. And then we've got the rest for our veg. That's a garlic over there. What that's doing in there? That's a garlic too. We'll read cardboard. Anyway, I'll get them carrot seeds and get them in there. So we'll get 4 rows in, I think. So we'll have, well, these have all come out now. All 4 rows. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a full strike on them, so that's good. We've still got them onions there, if we need any more. Some more garlic, and some more onions there that I grew from seed later on last year. So we've loads of veg. But I'll get them carrots and that. Where are they? I know where they are. Oh, Gardener's World carrot, Nantes 5. Plant outside March, April, May, June, July. Planting. So if we plant them in March, we should be harvesting them by May or June. Get them in there. There you go. Because we've had it covered all winter with this cardboard. There's no preparation, no weeding, no nothing. Nice and clean. So all I have to do is rake it about, give it a brush flat, and then get our seeds in. I don't know what that is. Get our seeds in. Belting. I've just scraped 3 lines with my finger, and we'll drop seeds in there and then just cover them over. And that's our carrots outside. Ooh, things are finally happening. So we've got outside carrots in there, 3 rows I put in there. So they should grow okay. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beds in here. 1, 2, call it 3 beds in there. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 with that. So we'll be okay. The rest will be 2 cut. So that's first earlies in, pink fir apple, outdoor carrots. We've got our indoor carrots here for an early crop, and those will be later on. So fingers crossed on that. We want these grow. Bloody brush. We want these grow before it gets too hot, really. Get them up there because they don't want to be too hot. Well, it gets pretty warm in here in June, so these won't be out by June, really. We'll get some peppers or something in here for over summer, and then put some carrots in again for next winter. Funny road, we've got 2 lots go out there now. So that might be Uncle Joe from Mexico. I'll have a brew with him before we go, because I'm going to go home in a minute. Check them plants at home. So we'll see you up there. I'll see you at morning. Hey, back in the home office, working from home today. Now I've got some more seeds for plant here. We found these what we got off Ken. We forgot about them, but you can see them spritting. They're sweet peas then. We've got some of our tobacco from last year, Golden Virginia. Some yard long beans. Some more yard long beans now. They're red ones, they're green ones. So I'll do half a dozen of each, see which ones grow biggest. But they'll be for the competition at Upper Allotments. So we've got our loose mix there. I'll just go put them in about 3 pots. There's a fair few of them. Them in 1 pot on their own, and these 2 will go half and half in there. So I'll get them on. So there was 8 of them. They're what was saved from year before, last year. No, year before last. So they're the red ones, yard long, and these are the green ones. So I'll put 8 of them in. I'll just put a stick up middle and label them. Pop them in. Now they're just soaking now, just on that tobacco. And I've just done some sweet peas. So all I've done is put 20 sweet peas in there, if you can see them. All dotted about. All separate, so I'll just pop them in a bit. And they're nice and spritted, these. They should take off in no time. And I'll just cover that up. Not with lumps or bud. And that's it. So I'll label that one up. I've probably got another 3 pots worth there. I'll get them done. Right, so that's the last of them soaking. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pots of Ken sweet pea, which is what we're going to call them, your famous Ken. Because we don't know what kind they are, we got them off Ken. So Ken sweet pea there. So we've got 20 in each, so that's 80 sweet pea plants. Then we've got, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 cans sweet pea. So we've got 24 to 68 to 100 plants there. And we've still got some left in a bag. So we've got 100 sweet pea plants, about 100 golden Virginia plants in there because I just sprinkled a load on top. And then somewhere else there we've got our yard-long beans. So they've all been soaked, they're just having a soak. The nearly right, that one's ready. Tell by weight when you're a proper gardener, Ken. Yeah, that one's alright. That one's a bit reluctant to take it up. It's been in ages, that, but there you go. Right, so we'll have a proper look at what we've got now. So we've got our 6 loofers there, 3 giant pumpkins, 1, 2, 3, 4 Giganteo tomatoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giant tomatoes, a giant sweet corn on its Todd. And we've got them little ones I potted up yesterday, which are looking okay. Yellow Purton, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we've got Alicante, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Alicante. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Roma. At front here we've got Tigerella, 1, 2, which are looking a bit small but they're looking okay because I potted them up yesterday. 2 Cucumber and 2 Tumbling Tom. Then we've got a collie, 12. I've got 12 more collie there, I'm going to pot them up, but I've not brought a pod pack for me. I need another pod. I can't find one anywhere. So 12 broccoli and 12 cabbage. So yeah, cabbage. And then I had long beans, obviously. Beetroot, 36. And then spring onion. Got some in there and some in there. And then these are them's called Delightful tomatoes. Delight, sorry. They're not Gardener's Delight, they're just called Delight. But they're a beef one. So there's 1, 2, 3 of them there. I'll put them up in a minute. But I've run out of labels now, Ken. Need some more labels tomorrow. You owe me 50p, so I'll have a pack of the labels. You owe me 50p change for another morning. Never forget me. So there you go. And that's all our peppers. They're all coming out now, can you see? But I ain't got a clue what they are because I can't read them. I think that's a beef tomato, that one. But the other ones, that's jalapeno at the back. I don't know that one. I know that's California Wonder, but none's come out. And that one there, they're coming out, can you see? So I don't know what that one is. So I'll have a look on my video in a minute. I'm going to find out what they are. I'll put them up as well. So we've got loads of tomato varieties. We just need a Sungo, which I've not got any seeds for. And Henry's got to get one of them. And I think that's all we need. Because we've got our peppers there. We've got our tomatoes. And we've got our veg for most of them veg. Because I forgot about tobacco. We need a bed for that. So that might be outside. No, I'm putting that in one of the tunnels. Just about 6 plants, we'll have that. We'll get plenty backer off that. That's me anyway, just tied it up. So now I'm going to go and have a brew. So, might see, oh look at that blossom on that tree over there. Yeah, let's go and have a gander, see what's growing. Nice and warm in here. It's probably all my hot air talking to the plants. Black lilies, they're growing there now. That jasmine's coming on okay, except that piece I've just snapped off. The Or just standard, innit? It stays the same. Them's Sanders fruit trees. I potted them up in 2 pots, so because I'm not got a chance to take them to her, but she's coming up next week doing some painting, so take them home with her because she's got a pear tree at home. That camellia's all budded up. Started trying to open. That road behind there, that's full. That's all splitting open. That hydrangea, white flowers that gets on. There's a thingy in there. Well, that's honeysuckle, but in there there's a clematis as well. I put that thingy there, that penstemon, because I don't know where to put it, so it'll just grow over there and meet that other honeysuckle over there. There's my tree palm, fern, sorry. Okay, foxgloves are coming out. I'm going to have to move that because that is them red alliums. I'm going to take that out of there in a minute and move it. All these azaleas are looking okay. They come from the allotment, the least sad up allotment, isn't they? But look at that. That one's coming back now. Pond's nice and clear. All looking happy enough. Got some lucifers there I missed. I planted them at corner last year, dug them up, but I've missed a couple obviously. I can't remember what that is, I'll let you know when it flowers. All that. I can't remember what them are, but it's the first time they've flowered them. They've been in 2 years. What colour of them? Somebody will tell me. Yeah. Red hot polkas, just starting off. The strawberries, look at them strawberries there. So he's right, Uncle Joe from Mexico. Look at them in there. They're the same strawberries, but they're in greenhouse. So, should get another crop like Joe. Anyway, that's me done. We'll have a brew. See you later.